Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for partnership firm registration step by step. First, gather essential documents like identity proofs, address proofs, and PAN details for all partners, and decide the firm name and principal place. Next, draft a detailed partnership deed with capital, profit sharing, and dispute resolution clauses. Finally, prepare the registration form, attach notarized deed and affidavits, pay the fee, and submit to the registrar for processing. Start by collecting all partner documents and verifying names exactly match legal ID. When drafting the partnership deed, be specific about capital contributions, profit-sharing ratios, rights, duties, and exit procedures to avoid future disputes. Get the deed notarized and secure partner signatures and affidavits as required. Keep both original and scanned copies ready for submission, and ensure any witness, signatures, and addresses are clearly recorded to meet registrar requirements. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: I use leak-proof containers for meal prep and to stash small documents or receipts when I travel. They seal tight and save messes. They make organizing lunches and receipts oddly satisfying, and they fit neatly in my bag. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Fill the registration form carefully, double-checking names, addresses, and dates to prevent rejection. Attach the notarized partnership deed, partner ID, address proofs, and any required affidavits or witness statements. Pay the fee via the prescribed mode and submit the complete application package to the local registrar or online portal if available. After submission, monitor the application status and respond promptly to any queries to speed up the approval process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.